Hello and welcome to Serenity Academy. And I'm going to say that I'm just going to start. So you have Excel open like this. You are in the Home tab. Notice that I have many other tabs. Actually, we are not going to use any of those. My bad. That we want just to do the four basic operations: addition, multiplications, division, and subtraction. Yeah. So let's start with addition. So you have Excel and you want to add two numbers or many. So let's say I have 10 and 10. So what is 10 from plus 10? That will be 20. But you might find yourself doing it, or maybe let us just do that. So for Excel to work, the formulas, you have to start with an equal sign first. Remember, equal sign first, and you come here and highlight the first one, that is the first number. You will also see that it is also highlighted above here. That is the first thing I want to add, and you hit shift and plus. There is plus on your laptop, you should see it, and plus the second number, and I press enter, and that is 20. So in some cases you might find that you have many numbers. Let me add other numbers here, including the one that we just did. So many numbers. And in some other cases you will find that you have so many things you have to add, and so you just need to come at the end and do equal sign, this one plus this one. But wait, that is too long. So they also thought about it, and that is why we have something called sum, the sum formula. So if you're adding two numbers, you can do that like we did earlier, but sometimes they can get too many, and yeah, doing 1 plus 1, that will be so much. So just come here and double click to click the sum. After that, you want to start from where you want, drag all the way around, and when you are at the end, close the bracket, because remember you opened a bracket here, and hit enter. You have done your sum. To know that you have done it correctly, double click on where you have your answer, and you will see the section where you did your calculations highlighted. So that should be it. So do more practice. That is the way to learn. So let's go to subtraction. I'm going to just say sub, and we can just do 10 minus 10. So let me just do that. So like we just did for this, we can do this one minus this one. Yeah, as simple as that. Remember, we have to start with the equal sign. So I haven't found any formula for subtracting, so I feel like we just subtract. So for division, so the same as subtraction, I have to start with the equal sign first. For everything you start with the equal sign, and let me divide 10 and divide by 10. You expect 1, of course, right? You expect 1, and that is it. So for it is so simple, so just do a lot of practice for yourself. I don't want to make the video so long. So so we are remaining with multiplication. I'm going to do that, and so let us just try it. Let me copy these numbers, so you can copy and paste, so it will do that. So I want to multiply. Let me remove all of this. Let me clear contents. You can actually learn some things from what I'm doing. So I want to put an equal sign, and I'm going to say, actually we can first do the way we did. I take this one, and you use the asterisk. You can see the asterisk is the asterisk symbol, and you do that one, and you get 100. Or this one as another way, you can, I think there is multiple agree. Let me just look for it first. There should be, it's not aggregate, it is I don't know, product. Product is product, so it is product of two numbers. That number you put comma, and that number, and you cross and you hit, that is 100. And if there are many numbers, so let's see, let me copy this one and add that there. So let's say I want to multiply all of those numbers. So I'm going to say product and I will highlight all of them from where I want to there and close that and hit. So that is the product of that. You can just do it one by one, and those are the basic operations just in Excel. And this one is very important to ensure that you can do important things and the basic things at your office and maybe in your budgeting and stuff. So yeah, thank you and enjoy your time.